Customer is looking to get a bid to replace the pavers that she has on her step here. So currently, obviously, she has pavers on here, and the pavers are beginning to fall apart pretty handily. So this is sitting on a form, which works well for us. And we're going to take off the pavers, and we're going to lay over the form that's underneath it, assuming it's in good shape. We just make sure we put in the proposal that makes the assumption that the form is in good shape. So we're going to do this. We're going to do the risers out of 1-inch Fond du Lac and Chilton mix, like what they have on their house along here. 1-inch Fond du Lac and Chilton mix, and the treads are going to be bluestone, 12 inches deep. And then on the top, we're going to frame it in with bluestone, but then we're going to take the pavers that we have here, and we're going to actually inset the middle with the pavers. She wants to pull the walkway pavers into the step. So bluestone pavers for the bulk of it, but the inset's going to do, bluestone treads for the treads, but then the inset is going to be the pavers. So we're also going to see if we can't salvage enough pavers in here to kind of flare out the walkway. So as you can see, it's comes up and it just kind of ends. It's 4 feet wide and the step is 9 feet wide, and there's not any real nice transition into it. So we would need to take the pavers and just from about 4 feet out, flare it, just put a little curve into it and flare it into the side of the to the step to give it a nicer look. We're going to have to reset a few of the pavers on the right-hand side here, just to, well, obviously because that's a soldier course. So we're going to take out the soldier course on each side here and move it along here and then fill in the centers. So appears to be plastic edging that's on the side, so nothing too fantastic. Real straightforward, nice, easy step to do. Minimal demo. And the pieces are falling apart, are coming off pretty good. I mean, I can virtually pull all of these off. So, for Nick, this is Edina. So we'll just have to stage a few, like the pallets and stuff, on her grass right off of it. No heavy equipment on the grass. Yeah. All right, so that's the project for this year. The project for next year, she just wants to get budgeted for this. I'm going to walk down here over to her driveway. She has got a Platteville wall that, as far as Platteville walls are concerned, it's in decent shape. So, though it looks dingy and everything, it still has a batter. It's still sitting quite nice. So it's not in dire need of being done right now, but she wants to get it done at some point here. So we're giving her a bid for replacing this. So it's 25 feet from point A to point B. So right here, it starts out pretty tall, but you see how it comes down pretty fast. Over the course of about 6-7 feet, it gets down to, so it starts off at, where are my notes here, 5'8", 5'8" all the way over there, but then it comes down pretty fast to the 42 inches, I think is what I measured. And then as we come across here, it gets down to 36 inches and has a small return next to their current bluestone steps. And then we're going to box it in over here. So, and then she wants to extend it a little further out to there. So we're going to go with, I think I put down 14 feet or maybe 16 feet as it gets down to grade. So we're going to just give her kind of a quick and dirty estimate on it because she wants to be able to budget for it. Once again, this is going to be made out of Fond du Lac and Chilton, a Fond du Lac Chilton mix. I did talk to her about how it's going to look slightly different than what she has on her house because that has grouted joints and ours will not be grouted. So, other than that, I think that covers it.